Hey, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an amazing product to review for you all. It's the MIUI 5L Smart Air Fryer, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. First of all, the quality of this air fryer is top-notch. It's built with scientific construction and high-quality materials, so you know it's going to last you a long time. The Oilless intelligent temperature control algorithm ensures high performance, so you can cook your favorite foods to perfection every time. But what really sets this air fryer apart is its safety features. The silicone non-stick coating makes it super easy to clean, and also ensures that your food won't stick to the basket. And with the visible window, you can keep an eye on your food as it cooks, without having to open the fryer and release all the heat. Trust me, once you start using this air fryer, you won't be able to imagine life without it. It's perfect for cooking up family-sized meals in no time, and it's a much healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to take your cooking game to the next level, make sure to check out the MIUI 5L Smart Air Fryer. You can find the link to purchase it in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!